Welcome back, my dear children of class 10. In this video I am going to explain about blood pressure. In the last videos we have learnt about blood circulation through the different parts of the heart and to the body. Now let us see what is blood pressure. And I request you to please subscribe, like and subscribe my videos. So come to blood pressure. So when the heart pumps blood through the arteries, the blood puts pressure on the artery walls, and this is known as the blood pressure. See, this is a part of the artery, blood cells, and inside the artery the blood is there, and when the ventricles pump the blood, it exerts the pressure on the artery wall. This is the wall of the artery. So as liquids exert pressure, so blood is a fluid or liquid, so it exerts pressure on the wall. It is called the blood pressure. So let us see how the what is the normal blood pressure. See, we can divide that into blood pressure into systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Systole is the contraction of heart chambers, and diastole is the relaxation of the relaxing period of the heart chambers. So the pressure exerted on the wall of the blood vessel when the heart chambers contract is called the systolic blood pressure. So pressure exerted when blood is ejected into the arteries from the ventricles, and normal systolic blood pressure is 120 mm and up to 120 mm Hg. The unit of blood pressure is millimeter mercury mm Hg. So normal systolic pressure is 120 or below, or up to 120. And when the ventricles relax, then it's called a diastole. So diastolic blood pressure. The pressure exerted is diastolic blood pressure. So diastolic pressure is the pressure blood exerts within the arteries between the heartbeats. That is when the chambers are relaxing. So normal diastolic blood pressure is up to 80 mm Hg or below. So you must have seen that when you go to doctor for any problem, blood pressure is measured and it is written 120 by 80, means the normal blood pressure. So up to 120 is normal pressure, that is systolic, and diastolic blood pressure is 80. So it is written 120 by 80. We are familiar with this, we have seen also. Now let's see a table. Blood pressure table. So normal blood pressure is less than 120 or up to 120 systolic mmHg, that is upper number. So when the heart chambers are contracting, it is 120, less than 120 or up to 120, and diastolic pressure should be less than 80 or up to 80. So when it is slightly elevated, it becomes 120 to 129, and less than 80, this is still there. So the systolic pressure increased, slightly elevated than the normal. Then comes to hypertension. Hypertension is the high blood pressure than the normal. So stage 1, it is 130 to 139, and this can go to, diastolic pressure can go up to 80 to 89. So here we have to change the lifestyle, we have to control the food intake, fatty food intake. But when it comes to hypertension stage 2, that is high blood pressure, 140 or higher. When it reaches 140 or higher systolic pressure, it is high BP, or 90 or higher diastolic pressure. Then comes to more rise in blood pressure, that is hypertensive crisis you reach when it goes means higher, the 180 or higher than that, then it is very dangerous. Then from here onwards, you have to take take the advice of the doctor, and some medicines or food control has to be done. And here also, and this is very risky, and this will go more than or higher than 120 diastolic pressure. So this is called a high BP, or the term used is hypertension. Sometimes the pressure can go beyond, very much below also. Below 100, below sometimes even up to 60. This is because of some diseases or stress. So low BP also, it is a disease, it is not normal. So it will go beyond, below 120. Okay. So high blood pressure and low blood pressure are abnormal conditions where we have to take the treatment. And see here, I'll tell you the table. See, 120 and 80, less than 120, less than 80 is the normal blood pressure. So our healthy life, our normal lifestyle will do. So, but yearly checkups have to be done, particularly for older people or anyone who is having other diseases like diabetes, etc. Then elevated blood pressure 122, 129, this may be 180, this may be 80 or below. Recommendation: healthy lifestyle changes, reassessed in 3 to 6 months. We have to go and check it in the hospital. Blood pressure has to be checked up. Then may not be any medicine required. The change of lifestyle may bring the blood pressure to the normal. Then 130 to 139, 80 to 89. It is high BP stage 1. Here 10-year heart disease and stroke risk assessment has to be done. If less than 10% risk, lifestyle changes, reassessed in 6 months. If higher, then lifestyle changes and medications are required as per doctor's advice. We should not take any medicine on our own, as per doctor's prescription. Then monthly follow-ups until BP is controlled. It has to be checked regularly. We have to go and get it checked. Then 140, greater than 140 or greater than 90 or higher than that, 140 or higher than that, high blood pressure stage 2. Recommendations here: lifestyle changes and 2 different classes of medicines with the monthly follow-up until BP is controlled. So these we have to be very careful when the blood pressure go high up or it goes beyond or very much below. Both are harmful for the body and harmful for life. So we have to get it checked up. Then comes the blood pressure is measured. When you go to the hospital, the blood pressure is measured by a device. It is called a sphygmomanometer. You must have seen this sphygmomanometer. Its cuff is tightly tighted here, so the blood pressure will come. Doctors can see the blood pressure. So name the instrument which is used for measuring blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you very much.